What's up guys, my name is Ankit. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a whole continued video with no cuts, and this video is about my Audi R8. We finally sold the Audi and it's ready to go to the new house. This video I'm gonna tell you what I love, hate, and my experience of owning this Audi R8 for 10 months and 12,000 miles. This was my daily driver. I drove this to the gym, to go swimming, to play tennis, to play golf, everywhere. The golf clubs won't fit, but if you have 2 or 3 clubs, you want to just go to a driving range, it works. I love this car because keyless entry, Bang & Olufsen sound system, heated seats, and you have power so you can just adjust these seats. Also, it is very comfortable. The Huracan is very, very raw. I love a raw car, but this is very comfortable. And you can daily it, which I did, and loved every moment of it. This is a V10, and I put a supercharger on it, so the gas mileage is terrible. I was getting about 8 or 9 on average, but if you don't put a supercharger, you can get like 16, 15. Also, another thing to consider, everything on this car is expensive. Those tires, 4Ss, are $2,000. The back ones, just the back ones, are like $1,200. An oil change on Audi R8 is $800 from a dealer. I went to my friend, he did it for me. He charged me $500, which is regular price. And I did this conversion. This is from 1016. Wood does the same thing, but I hate this exhaust system. Do not get this. When it's cold, it just drips on your bumper, and you have to have a rag and cleaning it all the time. You get little particles everywhere, and sometimes you do get a little burning on your wrap or on your bumper. If you're trying to show off, if you're trying to look cool, this car is probably kinda not for you because it doesn't get as much attention as the Huracan. So if you want attention, pay that 50 grand more, get a Huracan. Both are reliable, both are amazing cars. This one, it has way more visibility, very comfortable to drive. And another thing to consider is everything is expensive. So that windshield cost me $5,000. These headlights are very expensive. That grill is $1,600. And I don't even know if it's OEM. They say it's OEM, but that grill cost me $1,600 because it was chrome. And I don't know why Audi would do chrome grills. And I painted it. So when I painted it on the chrome, it chipped. So I bought a OEM grill, which was gloss black, and it looks amazing now. But the windshield was 5 grand. I got a little crack. They had to replace the whole thing. The headlights are very expensive. So if you get this car, PPF the whole thing, or at least the front, because it will get rock chips. It is very low and it will be ruined. Okay, so resale value. A lot of people ask me, oh, the V10s are done. What do you guys think? Like, is the resale gonna go up? Is the resale gonna go down? I think it will keep going up slowly or it will stay stable, especially for the non-plus versions. The plus are more desirable because of ceramic brakes and all the options, a little more horsepower. I think if you're trying to buy a car for resale, I would definitely get a clean plus with low miles and make sure it has as much options as possible. This is not a plus, that's why I modified the hell out of it. I put wheels, carbon ceramic brakes, I put a wrap, all the 1016 kit, a VF side blade. I did the exhaust conversion. And another thing to consider, once you do the exhaust change, you're never gonna get rid of this thing. I tried giving this for free and no one wants it. But luckily the car sold and the previous owner wants it, even though now he can't put that regular exhaust because we cut the bumper. I mean, you can probably buy a grill without the exit and reroute the exhaust back down there. But yeah, get rid of that exhaust as soon as you install it. I also installed these puddle lights. They look really cool. And this is an Audi exclusive interior. That's what I'm very proud of. But the guy before me, he didn't buy any carbon inside. So it's a little poverty spec. He spent all the money on the interior. all the money for the exterior carbon, which I'm not complaining. Like I was going to put the interior carbon, but I used from salvage cars were like 2,500 plus the fees, shipping. So I did not want to spend $3,000 on like some carbon pieces, which the slip is like 4 grand from 1016. Another thing, once you buy used, you get a lot of these mods for very cheap. Buying it plain, simple, no mods, have a higher resale value, but if you want to modify it, you're going to spend a lot of money. This car has $100,000 in mods, another like 40,000 in carbon, 35,000 carbon ceramic brakes, 10,000 for the wheel. Like it just adds up. 4,000 for the wrap. That's a lot of money. So would I recommend this car? Definitely 100% yes. This is an amazing car, very reliable. It is a sports car. I would not say supercar. I think a Huracan is considered a supercar, but this I would not, just because on a Huracan, how low you sit, how aggressive it is from factory, it just feels like it is a supercar. This feels like a daily driven sports car. Like engine is loud. It's a V10 from in Lamborghini, but the brakes are hard, the suspension is soft, the steering wheel and inside all feels like a regular car. All right, so should you buy a 2017 plus Audi R8? Definitely buy it. If you are low on budget, or if you can't fit in the car, or you just want something to daily, a R8 is better than a Huracan. The Huracan is better if you want something more flashy, if you want something more raw directly from the factory, and if you just want to have a Lamborghini. But this car has everything a Lamborghini does. The engine is amazing. With the all-ins, it drives better than the Lamborghini. It's loud as a Lamborghini. For some reason, I feel like the exhaust notes are different in the Corsa mode on a Lamborghini. But other than that, the sport and all the other modes, it feels the same. But that's my experience. Would I buy this car again? Probably not, because I've owned this car, driven it hard, and I'm ready to let it go. So I don't think I will ever buy a R8 again. Maybe I will buy a Huracan and twin turbo it, bumper delete. It'll be amazing. But on an R8, I don't think I will get it. Also, I'm 6 foot. I'm not 6 feet 4, so I fit in the Huracan perfectly. I like the way it sits low. It's you can't see anything, so you can just see what's in front of you. And yeah, I would get a Huracan over the R8. But if you prefer R8, go for it. But that's my experience of owning the Audi R8. 12,000 miles, amazing miles, every single miles. I regret selling this car. Maybe I will, maybe not. But maybe I'll get something better. I want a F12 Ferrari or 812. They're still a little high for me. This car currently as it sits with 30,000-ish miles, going for 160. So F12 is about 240. 812 is like 300. So that's a big jump. I'll think about it. I don't know what to get. Comment down below what you guys think I should get. A 720 will be cool if we build it, but I don't know about the reliability. If you feel like dailying it, launch control heavy light, that thing is gonna blow up. So we'll see. But I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.